Welcome back to Earn IT. So from this bot you will be able to earn Ethereums and the payments are instant to your Coinbase account. Here you can see in my account info I have 10,155 Ethereum satoshis in my account. My email is attached and you can see that you will be earning gifts on this site, and you can see the sell rate. It is 1 gift is equal to 1 ether, 10 is equal to 10 ether, and 100 gifts is equal to 100 ethers. So with the daily claim you can see that you are getting 235 Ethereum satoshis daily, and with the lucky roulette you are getting 50 per 3 hours. Here you can see there are 3 options available: visit, lucky roulette, and the daily claim. So with the visits you can make 2 visits, and with the 1x reward you will be getting almost 48 to 50 Ethereums, and with the 2x reward you will be getting 96 to 100 Ethereums. Let me show you. This one is the 1x reward, and you can see that I got 35. So the range will be from 30 to 50 with the 1x, and with the 2x it will be from 80 to 100. You can see that in my previous I got 41 with the 1x claim, 82 with the 2x claim, 48, 96, and there is also 1 or 2 of 100. Let me show you. Here you can see 50 with 1x, 100 with 2x. So let's make the 2x claim also. With the 2x claim you have to wait for 10 seconds, then click the click to button, then click the here button, scroll down, fill the captcha, click to claim button. That's it with the 2x claim, and that's it. You can see I received the amount 70. So the amount that you are getting is from the range of 30 to 50 for 1x, and 670 to 100 with the 2x. And you can make unlimited claims daily. There is no limit on how much claims you can make, so make as many as you can and earn as much as you can from this bot. So now let's head to the withdraw. You can see that payments, it will show you the last payments they have made, and you can see that I haven't made any payment from this bot yet. You can see that you have never made a balance with withdrawal. So let's make the claim with the withdraw button. It will ask me. Here you can see that it is saying that the payments will be sent to Coinbase, and this is my balance of 10,260 ethers, and you can see that the minimum withdrawal is of 2500 ethers. So I am having more than 10,000 ethers, so I can make the claim. So from here I will be adding 10,200 ethers with the withdrawal, clicking on the send button, and so I have to add the full amount. So let us copy, and the withdrawal is of 10,200 Ethereum satoshis. Send. Sorry, I have to make the withdraw again. So with the withdraw, and let us copy this, enter the amount. Here it is, send it, and here you can see your request payment is complete. Amount is this, my email status completed, and date is this. In the payments you can check now, my last withdrawal is here. So let's wait for the Coinbase email. So here it is. You can see that Coinbase, and I just received 0.000102 ethers, which are equal to 10,200 Ethereum satoshis, and you can see that this is the payment proof. So this is it with the bot. Keep on earning, keep on making visits, keep on making claims, keep on using the bots, and keep on earning as much as you can. This is it with this boat. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.